How you turn you to the side, go to your toes direction, that's you turn you to the side. Okay? No matter which direction you're standing, remember this spot. You cannot go too open because you're not that good yet. You stay on the side, just like that. No matter which direction you're facing this direction, stay right here. You cannot stay here, okay? Remember that spot. Okay? So watch me here. Okay, so when I do the turn you front, I face Zoom girls, you can see me, you guys can see me too. When I turn you front, my toes, my heels, same direction, okay? And then when I turn, do the Fouetté, look my toes, I will lift up, and I move forwards a little. Because my turn out is not perfectly, can stay at this point, not move at all. No, you have a lift up, put forwards a little. So watch me here. When you do the side, look my leg lift up to the side. Put it right, very comfortable position. Look at me. When you do the back, you cannot stay here anymore. Watch me. I lift my toes again. I cross the back. Keep leg crossed. You clear? So you gotta lift your leg. Okay? Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. So listen. So if you, I just saw you guys did, you not even move. You from here, you go to here, see? That's the outside, you go back like that. You cannot do that, right? So you have to lift up a little. Very comfortable. Comfortable. Cross is easy for everybody to cross. You not open like that. Just cross. And then side, just lift a little bit forwards. When you turn, become to back leg, this leg go backwards. Keep it cross.